In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Chrome Store in Google Workspace. This process is a quick and straightforward way to gain access to all the functionalities that the Chrome Web Store has to offer, allowing you to enhance your productivity with various extensions and apps. So, let's dive right into the process. To start, you'll need to access Google Workspace. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Google Workspace homepage. Once there, look for the admin console. The admin console is your central hub for managing all aspects of Google Workspace, and it's where you'll be making these adjustments today. Next, when prompted, log in using your business email address. Enter that information in the provided field and click Next. You'll need to ensure you have administrative access, as these changes can only be made with the appropriate permissions. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen, where you will see the Google Apps menu. In the Google Apps menu, you'll want to find and click on the admin icon. This action takes you to another dashboard where you can manage apps and services within your organization. The dashboard is well laid out and intuitive, making it easier for you to navigate through the options available. From here, click on the Apps section. This area lists all the apps associated within your Google Workspace environment. It is here that you'll be making changes to ensure the Chrome Store is enabled. Once inside the Apps section, look for additional Google services and click on it. Among the list of services, you will find the Chrome Store. Clicking on it will bring you to an interface where you can adjust its settings. The key step here is to turn on the service status. This enables users in your organization to access and utilize the extensions available in the Chrome Store, which can be significantly beneficial for productivity. Finally, it's crucial to click on Save to ensure your changes are applied correctly. Not saving changes means they won't take effect, and you'll have to repeat the process all over again. Once saved, your users should have immediate access to everything the Chrome Store offers. And that's it. You've now enabled the Chrome Store in Google Workspace. This should help in extending the functionality of your browser and leveraging powerful extensions offered in the store to increase efficiency. If you have any other settings to configure, feel free to explore the admin console further. It's a powerful tool that gives you control over your organization's Google services. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.